Because my statement of account is complete.
Okay, you go reach 2 million. It passed to 5 million.
I don't know, but I know.
Maybe.
Okay, you go reach 2 million. How much say don't collect me? Okay, you go reach 2 million. It passed to 5 million.
I don't know, but I know.
Maybe wait for your account. I show that 50,000.
How much you collect for your account?
Hello, my people. How now dey? What's on dey fine? I know say this video wanna watch una no understand. I go come tell you now. Make una wait. Una know say this brother wey dey here so, wey dey up for here so with this woman. Now this woman now they say born this boy wey they call Ebuka. This brother wey dey here na content creator. Na him go dey carry camera, dey video many people dey bring come say dem dey suffer. You understand? Wey come dey put for a social network for there say make una come dey help. Say they need help oh, they want buy now oh, make una come dey help there oh. This one wey dey here, na this woman wey dey up for here, na still born now. You understand? So this woman now, na born this one, na born this one, and this one, na this brother say they do content every blessed day. They carry, they go say he need help, say they sick, say they want carry and go hospital. This video, I been want one last week. I was very busy. I say make I come bring am come this week. Make I bring am come because I see am. This woman, many people come they tell this brother where they do content, so they tell am say this woman no get account, so that make them for the help am for this pikin where they call Ebuka. So now from there, now come they ask this woman say, what about your NIN? No, say for Nigeria, if you want to open an account, then they need NIN for when you want to open your account. They say his daughter, this his daughter been at the other, because this woman get many children. Whether not this his daughter where they here where be say don't fair send message, can't give this one, say stay away from our family. Where this brother no agree here. This brother no want use your family say they do content. I don't know whether all of your family, whether they don't need help. Where be say they carry camera, they follow the whole Edo State, the whole Benin City, they go. Now this I go put the video for now. Now this one come they tell am say mama come they find the made but say open account. Come say he not see am, say he want go swear put. Another person come tell am say he see am for your daughter hand, not go swear put oh. You understand? Wetin make me carry this video come now? Wetin this woman wey dem dey call Mama Ebuka na born this pikin wey be say they say e no well because e don, you understand, all those things wey be say dem dey smoke, the thing don turn im brain. You understand? E no dey okay again. This woman say e get more than 2 million naira for account. For inside the video na she for talk am. I no understand, madam, you get more than 2 million naira for your account. Your own pikin no well. You can't gree. Make this boy wey dey here, they use your pikin say they do content for social media or in the name of say they want bring 100,000, 500,000, 10,000. Then you want to carry and go hospital. Why you no use, madam? Why you no use your you say almost 2 million naira in your account? Why you no use the money to take care of your pikin? If this thing not be RG, if I tell una say this boy where they do content creator, I don't fair do video, I say may go find something they do. You see this thing, people know they buy again because now you go they look for them, they come. Me just so because when I hear say 2 million naira in your account and your pikin no way, you go there go they tell they say send money, even though na 10,000, even though send na 5,000, make una help. Wetin they want help? You will get money for inside house. You no want spend that for your pikin. You want me another person come they spend money because this thing can't be like say na regime between this Mama Ebuka and this boy. Okay, you go say if we call social media, they go donate. Now not say mumu dey social media because for their whole family, no people, everybody they okay for the whole family, for the whole family. It be like say na regime na they do. I don't fair talking before when you carry that old man come where be say not see any pikin, whereas he get one pikin for abroad, the rest they with him for that Benin City. He said they not see, say they abandon her. Be like say this boy they do a regime with Mama Ebuka. Say no worry, if they donate big money, you go carry your own, me go carry my own because I don't see the reason why be say a mother wey be say born pikin, e go get more than 2 million naira for inside your account. E no go carry a pikin go treat. Make e come tell people say the money where I get for account, I don use all finish. Oh, make una see where I come dey, make una come help me join. You understand? You dey there, they spend 100,000, 1,000, maybe something where they want to treat your pikin, then go be about 1 million naira. You no fit spend down for your own pikin where you born. You dey expect people where they abroad, where be say some of them they never even fit pay house strength finish for year. You know how much for house strength for year. Some people where their house strength too low, it go be 700 euro, 700 euro. Convert am to Nigerian money. When you get 2 million, you know if you go treat your pikin, you dey let this boy they use and they do content, they put am for social media every blessed day. His sister, this one where they here, so don't fair tell this boy where they here say, leave my family alone. Say them go put pepper for your eye. Not be small thing. Oh, I still do that video. I can't bring her come. I can't tell this our brother say, God they do video. Can't they show us say, oh, don't do this road. It remain this one. That one not let him do. He just sit down for this Ebuka matter. Carry him for contracts. Even now, I go still bring another video come. Even now, the brother of Ebuka don't still come out. Don't still do it. They record them, they put for social media. He say no, they gain anything for inside though. They say make you leave their family alone. They not let you come out. Meaning you they find something for them. Something is fishing. Because I know say you they use them till they boost to your page. You understand? Otherwise, I go say I want to go help somebody. They go tell me say I not send you. I go say I must help you. Now by force to help somebody. I don't know. I just they ask. Not by force. Not by force. The old children don't they against this boy. Say make he leave his brother alone for them. This boy not agree. He go push him mama head. He go brainwash him mama head. His mama will come they cry. He go come record down. He go come put down for media. People come they pity this woman where be say get 2 million for account. He no want spend 1 cent for your pikin where he born. Una don't ever see that kind of thing before. I never see that kind of thing. I go put the video for una. So his daughter come say his mama follow and buy something because he say they sell something for online. He say so when his mama buy the thing, mama no want agree pay. No say some mother be like that. He say now she go collect his mama NIN. She go collect 250,000. Say because waiting they sell something for online. He say now only that one now you do. Now from there, now this boy where they here come ask mama Ebuka say, since where that 250,000 come out for your account, another money don't come out. The woman say no. He can ask and say, how much dey your account? Mama Ebuka come to say, the boy can say, the money where dey your account reach 2 million. Mama Ebuka say, he pass. If Mama Ebuka, he can say 5 million, he say, not sure, say go reach like that. So, madam, Mama Ebuka, you get that money for account. Now you they use your pikin say they come they beg for social media and say they give her 100 naira, 200 naira. Because if they not come bring the money, you know if you go treat your pikin. I don't understand why una they do this kind of thing. Because of say Ebuka not they okay. That one no fit talk say make they not put on for camera. This boy wanna where they here so now so he just they carry camera up and down. If you see old man where they use leg they waka, Papa, why they use leg they waka? Why you not wear slippers? You go video and you go come put for media. If you see person where they hawk something they go, why you not the school? You for support the school and you know they help them. Now that one help be the problem where they for inside. Because if you say really you want maybe they help people, it go come from you first. You go use your money. Should be your page monetize. Use the money where they pay you. Take and take they do all those things. If you see them, you they help them. Now so you see why Dioma that one there for hospital. Be I said that they wait for doctor. He begin the video, they carry camera, I put for their face. He say make they put their account number. People go help them. Now so they say they do all this thing. I don't understand though. I don't understand. Not be say you can't carry your money for pocket. You can't say, don't worry, I want pay. I'm on the doctor talk. See my money where see, give me your account. Pay put money for them. May you say, I'm gonna see people where I help. He go carry them put for there. Go say, make una come the help. Make una help me ask this boy where they here. So I don't fair talk out. You for your family, people don't need help. I just they ask. Because this family, you say they say make you comot hand. You say you no want comot hand. Say you get what you define for them. This is sister don't fair warn you. Now, he brother, that one don't still come out. Can't tell you say make you leave them alone. Say you they use them till they do content. And the truth of the matter, now be that one. I go put the video for now. Make una listen. Woman wey get 2 million, wey no fit go treat it again. That one a mother. Not be arranging them they do kill and divide. Hey.
Wait. On the normal, one-on-one, be honest with yourself. You see the NIN from my hand, one-on-one.
You know that
No, not matter of our down. Not matter of our down with this one, so. You see the NIN from my hand. You see from my hand. Amaka, wait, you see from my hand. Amaka, you see from my hand.
Wait, me talk. You say the NIN for your hand.
You talk her. I just said she goes and she won't go swear. No, wait. Wait. You for leave her, make she go swear. Put that that's what they do so. You follow me, she go swear, but this one no be answer. Before then I speak here, people gather for years.
Wait, me talk.
See, I don't maybe truth, That NN was with that NN. I see that NN for your hand.
Okay.
Which day? For market. You see NN for my hand for market. No. You come out, we'll go straight put because I don't maybe it's not for my own because you won't clear your own name. No. I don't want that one. You won't clear your name, say you carry NIN. Mama!
Mama, you know what? They all use your children against you. Now wait till I also down. They use your children against you. Yeah, they use your children against you. Yeah. They use your children against you. Yeah.
This one might not happen for your first time.
They use your children against you.
If you have this thing,
see, the truth is that my sister, and the truth is that my sister.
I know they swear. The guy he want you to borrow money, but he don't feel capture my face.
Yeah.
You don't feel capture my face.
Okay, because I take borrow money.
Yes,
okay.
But you don't feel capture my face.
Okay.
Because they say must capture the face in face.
Okay. Okay. How much? Because you first want to just say he borrow money. He borrow money with you.
No, this one when I dey talk.
Yeah.
Na men na here.
Okay.
As my phone lost, I dey find am. As I go talk am. Now the girl come tell me say, "Man, no swear, mama, that no verse. Mama, that no verse. So what you make me say, I no verse. Say see the hand for that hand. Say that day be one time may use and borrow money, but you know if you catch on my face, you don't know whether I go use and borrow money for another place. You don't know, but the day we try for a store, you know they.
So since when you notice how much don't lost for your money since how much? How much you say don't collect you before? How much you say don't collect you before? Okay, you go reach 2 million. It passed to 5 million.
I don't know, but I know.
Money maybe wait for your account. I 50,000.
How much you collect for your account? How much you collect for your account?
I said 250,000.
250,000.
Yes. And they do business online. And they sell clothes online. They sell shoes. They're important. You collect one when you like. You not pay the money. Now why we just 250,000 for your account?
But as a mother, as you collect and you tell them say you collect the money.
I'm not too fan. Because my business say you can do business cinema. Yes, now.
So don't do.
I stand on my truth. I know the top line. 2 days when it don't happen, I don't feel the truth for 2 of those when it don't happen.
Mama, you know they lie.
I'm not going to come back to
the because I don't feel children when I
come back to the
you can tell if I guess all of them. Make my life to pay for this today. For today, when they do so, these children, if you don't say they go to pay for that better, now they fine. Not die premature death.
I'm a cow.
But if you not so, any children will say one thing, my dog will join.